Ready? Paragraph start. The Prime Minister spoke of the importance of spreading education and said that the question of higher education, especially technical education, should receive greater attention. He said that at present they did not tap the large reservoir of people who may not only profit by higher education but be an advantage to the state. Therefore, the question arose as to how they should make it available to every boy and girl of merit. Paragraph. Their objectives were higher standards in education and equality of opportunity so that those getting this opportunity can easily continue their studies from the social, economic, or practical point of view. A very rapid growth in India would require vast numbers of trained people, more especially technically trained. It meant evolving schemes of help and scholarship on a big scale to persons who should be elected on some systematic basis, always on merit and never on personal preference. Paragraph. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your inquiry of the 22nd and have pleasure to inform you that we are now in a position to offer you the pumping sets required by you by the middle of next month. As you are aware, we have not been able to cope with the heavy demand for these machines unless we receive your confirmatory order with 25% of the cost in advance. It will be difficult for us to reserve your requirements. Paragraph. We are enclosing herewith our price list and a pamphlet explaining the technical details of the machines. You will notice from our price list compared to other manufacturers, we have fixed a moderate price for the set at rupees 8500. Paragraph. We are today advising our local representative there to contact you at his earliest convenience and explain to you the silent features of our manufacture, and we feel sure that you will be fully satisfied with the pumping sets as mentioned in the enclosed pamphlet. Stop.